Hello, fellow gardening enthusiasts. Today, we're delving into the fascinating world of Corkscrew Rush as twister, scientifically known as Juncus effusus. Our journey takes us to the origin of Corkscrew Rush as twister, the remarkable plant with a history deeply intertwined with wetlands and water bodies. Its native habitat has shaped its distinct features and contributed to its popularity in modern landscapes. Corkscrew Rush as twister boasts a mesmerizing form, with its spiral, corkscrew-like stems. This unique feature sets it apart, making it a striking addition to any garden or water feature. Its charming appearance has earned it a place as a conversation starter in outdoor spaces, thriving in moist to wet soils. This plant is well suited to water gardens, pond sites, or even containers placed in shallow water. Its adaptability to various soil types and water levels makes it an excellent choice for gardeners seeking diversity. Introducing Corkscrew Rush and Twister into your landscape opens up a world of creative possibilities. Its unique shape and texture make it a natural focal point or an intriguing accent when paired with other water-loving plants. Consider combining it with water lilies, irises, or other aquatic species to craft visually captivating scenes. Beyond its aesthetic appeal, Corkscrew Rush and Twister serves practical purposes as well. Its dense growth provides shelter and breeding grounds for aquatic life, contributing to the overall health of water ecosystems. Moreover, its distinctive form makes it an artistic addition to water features, attracting attention and enhancing the ambiance. And there you have it, an immersive exploration of Corkscrew Rush as twister, Juncus effusus. Don't forget to subscribe for more insightful content on gardening, farming, and the wonders of nature. Happy gardening and farming, and may your landscapes thrive with the beauty of Corkscrew Rush, a twister.